Alright, so what are we looking at? A tie rod end for this Nissan Rogue. You want to know how bad is your tie rod end? This is how you know. Yeah? That's how you know how bad your tie rod end is. So we're going to replace the tie rod end. So first, of course, we're going to unbolt here. We're going to unbolt here. Okay, so you're going to need 16 millimeter for the end, and the back nut. You're gonna need a 22 millimeter wrench. So now you're gonna need is to hammer it. There you go. It's loose. Okay, so now all you have to do is to turn it until it come up. Make sure you don't touch this bolt or this nut, because you're gonna lose a lot of alignment if you touch this. Once you loosen this, not too much, just couple thread and enough for this to loose, and then you stop and don't touch it again, because when you put the new one, it's gonna be the same position. So it's always good idea to match the new parts to the old. As you can see, it's identical and it should be a good part. Alright, so you turn it until it stops. That's it. Once it stops, that's it. Right? You don't want to go any further. And it's a good thing to also to put some anti-seize or anything that nature. Now take the bolt. Make sure you take this cover, plastic cover first before you put this in. Go. So you're done. Just a matter of tightening it, and that's it. Thank you for watching.